Of course, when we look at North Texas, that storm system that came through our area on Monday produced 10 confirmed tornadoes. Another one down near Waco, Greg Fields. Again, springtime brings this kind of weather. It's something we always try to be prepared for. And of course, yesterday, the National Weather Service did confirm those twisters.
Yeah, they were out, and we'll get more information on those over the next couple of days. So yes, it has been a very active start to a storm season here. And they tornadoes we've been talking about ranged from an EF0 to an EF3. The strongest was confirmed in Jacksboro with wind speeds of up to 150 miles per hour. Now let's bring Marielle in here this morning. You're going to be talking about more on where those tornadoes were across the area.
Absolutely. And I mean, a few of these were from the same storm system. So just to give you an idea, anytime a funnel cloud touches the ground, that is a confirmed tornado. If that same funnel cloud were to go back up into the base of the cloud and then touch down again, that would be 2 tornadoes. So that is, again, that's from the same storm cloud. It could be from the same system. And that's why we had so many, especially the one that tracked from Possum Kingdom to Jacksboro. That's where we saw the strongest of winds with the accompanied storm. But we also had Tarrant County, Carrollton seeing confirmed tornadoes, and of course Gainesville just to the south and west of Gainesville as well. Here are a few of the wind speeds. Carrollton, that was a confirmed EF0 with 85-mile-per-hour wind speeds near Decatur as well. And Possum Kingdom Lake, EF1 with 95-mile-per-hour wind speeds just south of Bowie. That was 1 tornado. EF1 at 95-mile-per-hour wind speeds. Of course, that is enough to cause damage. And then again, east of Bowie, same system, just a different tornado, also EF1 with 100-mile-per-hour sustained winds. And it just gets stronger from there. Northwest Fort Worth, EF1. And we also had an EF1 right by Gainesville. And EF1, again, with 110 miles per hour of just to the east of Nocona. Grayson County, of course, EF2. That one was one of the stronger storms that we also saw with 130-mile-per-hour wind speeds. And, of course, Jacksboro, the strongest storm that we saw. And we, of course, can see what kind of damage that produced with 150-mile-per-hour wind speeds. It's enough to take roofs and collapse strong interior walls. So definitely a strong system that we had, and the system continues to work its way now towards the East Coast later today. And of course, something to watch here now that we are full force into spring.
Marielle, people here know full well the impact these tornadoes can have. If you are looking for ways you can help some of these tornado victims, we've got a running list of agencies all in one spot. If you text us the word tornado to 214-977-6028, we'll send a link to that information right back to your phone.